Okay, good evening, everyone, or good afternoon. As it depends where you are in the world, because I understand that we're in different parts of the world, mostly in Africa, but there are some Americans in this session as well. So thank you so much to all of you for joining us. My name is Pablo Abelchauke, and I am the current chair for the H3Africa Education and Coordinated Training Working Group. And I'm also the co-lead for the ICC Training, Education and Capacity Development Committee, which was recently set up around June. So I am passionate about education as well as capacity development in this continent. And I think that I do quite closely with the coordinating center is work with Rolanda and Michelle and Nikki Mulder and Ashley Bayonet to sort of make sure that our fellows are the next scientists in Africa, or take the light on, or the baton is passed on to them. So we're very passionate about fellows. So I do want to welcome all of you and say I've been enjoying the past few days. The presentations have been robust and very interesting and educational. And I'm grateful for all the presentations, both the speed and the long presentations as well. So as I said, this has been a joint conference of the Tanzania Society of Human Genetics, the African Society of Human Genetics, and H3Africa as well. And right now, we're about to do a bit of prize giving, which is exciting, because I think obviously, even though all of us are winners, we do want to select a few sort of participants who showed some zeal and sort of engagement that went beyond what we were asking for. And we do have some interesting prizes. I'm not going to tell you all of them, but there is a book voucher for a certain amount of money. There is a course fee that could be paid for as well as an internship opportunity. But that will be spoken by the two prize givers who actually are award winners in their own right. I mean, if I read the whole CVs, I'll spend the whole time just mentioning what awards they've won. And recently, one of them actually won an award at UCT. That's Prof. Ambrose Wonkam, who won an Alan Pfeiffer award at the University of Cape Town. So I just want to also say congratulations on that. And Siana as well, in her own right, has won many fellowships and awards. So please Google them when you have time, because I'm not going to be able to read their CVs. So I just want to welcome everyone and say again, congratulations to those that are going to get prizes. But to those that didn't, you're also winners in your own right, and you are going to be the future of science in Africa as well. The two people that are going to be giving awards, and they're going to go in this order, it's Dr. Siana Nkia, who's the interim president of the Tanzania Society of Human Genetics. So she'll start giving prizes to the African Society of Human Genetics presenters. And then immediately after that, Professor Wonkam, who's the current H3Africa Steering Committee chair, will then give prizes to the H3Africa fellows for the speed talks, as well as the 8-minute talks as well. So without further ado, I'm not going to waste more time. I'm going to ask Dr. Siana to go ahead and give the awards. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pablo. Thanks, everyone. Again, it's good to be here and to be given the privilege to give out the prize today. So I will be giving the prize to the African Society of Human Genetics Young Investigators Forum, or SPEED Talks. And we have two prizes for this. We have the best presenter, who is Nadia Kerridge, and this best presenter gets a 1 in a selected African laboratory. And the second presenter is Opeyemi Sore Mekun, and this one is going to get a total of 500 United States dollars online subscription to a course in genetics or related field, and a 1-year Nature Journal subscription. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much for that, Dr. Siana. Congratulations to the, and I think the prizes are quite significant. So I just want to say congratulations once more as well. Professor Wonkam, are you ready? Present your awards. I think we might be having a bit of technological challenges. So
to read the next category.
Ladies and gentlemen, hi everyone. Just to say apologies, technology does fail us sometimes. We do have issues with Wi-Fi part of Africa. So I just want to say, we were supposed to have Prof. Ambrose presenting the next bit of awards, but I think there is a bit of disconnection and issues there. So I'm just going to kindly ask Dr. Siana to continue with the African, or rather H3Africa fellows as well. Read out the awards. Dr. Siana, please go ahead.
But I see Professor Ambrose saying that he seems to be disconnected in the control room chat. So maybe Rolanda or someone else can look up. I can read this, but probably you can also sort him out as I read. Okay. So for the H3Africa Fellows Speed Talks, the best presenter, we have four winners in this category. We have the best presenter, who is David Twesigomwe, and he is going to get 500 USD voucher for academic conference or course registration under H3Africa. And we have two runners-up. And the first one is Laura Cotino, and the second one is Oluwafemi Gabriel Oluwole. And they get a total of 100 USD each. That is worth for a book voucher. And then we have, so this was for the H3Africa Fellows Speed Talks. And now we have H3Africa Fellows 8 Minutes Talk. And under this, we have two prizes. We have the prize for the best presenter, Shahid Kiaga, who is going to get 500 USD voucher for academic conference or course registration. And the runner-up is Dimfo Ralefala, who is going to get 100 USD book voucher. Congratulations again to all of the winners. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Dr. Siana. Congratulations to the H3, both for the speed presentations as well as the 8-minute presentations. I see that Prof. Wonkam was able to join again now, and I just want to say thank you so much to all the judges that attended each presentation and made sure that they looked at the criteria and gave the scores. But without further ado, I'm going to kindly ask that Professor Wonkam come on to give a vote of thanks for tonight. Prof?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, Prof, I can hear you.
Okay, thanks, Babalo. Thanks very much, Siana, and thanks, Rolanda, for organizing this. I will particularly congratulate Siana and Mohammed from the Tanzanian Society for the successful Young Investigator Forum and for leading us through these first few days, these first 2 days of the event. For all those that have not been selected today for the prizes, I want to keep telling you that it's just part of the game. We need to select the winner, and everybody that have presented here, for the 40 that submitted, you are all to some extent deserving and only been selected for a presentation, whether it's an oral or a poster, was already a great achievement. So I just want to recognize that. For the 6 or 7 winners of tonight, this is just the beginning. This sounds like a light beginning, but it's a strong one. So I really urge you to report that on your CV boldly, because those are some of the things that people that will recruit or will employ you in future or enhance your career will look for. Because if you have won it once, that means that a group of people independently have underlined your capacity of doing science. I'm particularly proud to see the name of Dr. Oloule and also that of Dr. Jim Porelafela, both are working from two of the projects under which I'm the PI. So great to see your name there. And for everyone that is attending tonight, I thank you a lot to have stayed this far or this late to support our winners. I think we have introduced this year in innovation, which is a fellowship that will allow one of the peers, willing peers on the African continent, to host at least for 1 month one of the winners. And we hope that this will allow for some of the fellow to perform a new or to experiment new venture into techniques or working environment, and hopefully this will strengthen the network of investigator and fellow within the continent. I will urge the young investigator fellow to keep their connection very tight in terms of friendship now, and maybe those friendships will end up with collaboration in the next 10 years. And those friendships actually strengthen the capacity to collaborate. It's not only when you need a collaborator that you define the collaborator. When you build the relation, the trust, and the friendship around this network that we have now, you have a better success in your collaboration. So thank you a lot for the organizer of this evening, Rolanda, Siana, Vicky, and Babalo, and I hope a great evening for everyone. And we still have a social event that will follow this. Thank you very much.
For that, Prof. So very well, I'm about making sure that they network and put it on their CVs. I think that's important. And yeah, congratulations on your students also winning some prizes, Prof. So it shows that you're doing a good job. As I just said as well now, we do have an event taking place at 7:30. So I'll allow everyone to sort of have a 10-minute break, grab yourself a drink, coffee, water, a glass of wine, you know what I mean? Because we have a celebratory and networking opportunity that's going to take place now with the Cape Town jazz band called Mofunk. I've been lucky to see them live, and they do throw in the funk when they play their music. So please do join us at 7:30 until 9. We're going to have room so we can network and get to know each other, obviously highlighting what just Prof said now. It's important to network for possible collaborations on projects, also from friendships. So I just want to say thank you so much to Dr. Siana and Prof. Ambrose for your time and for your kindness and your amazing words as well. I'll see everyone else at 7:30 p.m. CAT. I'm in another room for the MOFAC celebration. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.